Seems like a good day to try to do those bushings. Just have to unhook the steering shaft. Still need to get that to drop in. Unhook your brake booster, all four of those, and your clutch master cylinder from the other side of the firewall. And when you're over there, you can pull this back a little bit, but you don't want to take it too far because all your brake lines are still hooked up. You don't want to break them. And then gotta get this whole piece out and take it in and take it all apart. I actually have to take everything to the gas pedal off and a few other things. And then get a call at the pump house power shut off. So now you gotta run and go figure that out. Squish it down, pull it tight. Once you blow it all apart, you get the best grease. You dip your finger in it and you just smear it anywhere, everywhere. Get some up in here, all over the shaft. Get it on your fingers. This piece says otherwise because I thought it went this way and it actually went that way, and then I squished it. I reused the old one. It's probably the most important bushing because of the side it had wiggle, but that one's foobarred. And the cool thing with the zip ties, if you can get them to break, this is a good zip tie apparently. The other one came right off. There we go. Springs reinstalled. Had to take that all the way out. That's just kind of holding there and off the brake lines. Should be fine. Now to get that whole thing shoved back up in here. Just have the gas pedal and finding one bolt for the master cylinder in the gravel. Even brought out the magnet and can't find it. Last night I spent like an hour trying to find the nut that I dropped.